will just last for one frame, so we'll make it start and finish at frame 5. And we'll set the total amount to be roughly about 30 particles. The thing is, right now there isn't much happening because we need to specify a position. So next up we get the position icon, and we assign that in there as well. And that just means that position icon, it will utilize the actual icon, the actual node of our PF source. So now we can see that there are particles appearing as these little dots. And I'll make these red just to make them a little bit easier to see. Now, one thing I'll do is I'm going to click on my PF source. I'm going to right click and choose rename. I'm going to call this PFS underscore explosion, just to name it something a bit more familiar. Also scrolling up to the quantity multiplier, and it's going to set the viewport percent to 100%. And the reason is that way all the particles in the view are the same as the renderer. So that is pretty important just for accuracy's sake. Now at this stage we have particles emitting at frame 5, as we can see here, but that's it. There's no motion to it. So what I want to do next is add in a speed operator, and what that does, it assigns speed. So now our particles are moving with an actual velocity. And one thing to keep in mind is that there are a lot of ways to go about building an explosion, and we're going to build this one using the explode daemon. And we want to kind of set this up so there is no keyframing, or it doesn't rely as much on lights or anything like that. It's going to be very procedural. Okay, so that's how we're going to kind of design this. So the thing is that right now our particles are shooting down because that's where this arrow is